In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AOL email account. Let's get started right from your computer or phone. Open your web browser and search for AOL Mail. This is the quickest way to get to the sign-up page without having to remember a specific address. In the results, look for the official AOL Mail link. It will clearly mention AOL and Mail in the title. Go ahead and click that first result to continue. Once the page loads, look toward the upper right corner and select Login or Join. This takes you to the sign-in area, but since we're creating a new account, you'll want the option at the bottom that says Create an Account. Click that to open the sign-up form. Now, fill in your first name and last name in the fields provided. Use the name you want associated with your email, as this can appear in messages you send. Next, choose your desired username. This becomes your email address, so pick something you're comfortable sharing. If your first choice is taken, try adding a simple variation, like a middle initial or a short number that's meaningful to you and easy to remember. Create a strong password to protect your account. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. A longer password is usually stronger, and it's best not to reuse passwords you've used elsewhere. Select your date of birth from the drop-downs, and choose your gender if you'd like to share it. Gender is optional, but accurate birth date information can help with account recovery and security. Enter a valid mobile phone number that you can access now. This is important for verification and for recovering your account later if you ever get locked out. When you're ready, click Text me a verification code. You should receive a code via SMS within a few moments. Type that code into the verification box on the website to confirm it's really you. If it takes a moment to arrive, that's normal. Just make sure you've entered your number correctly and that you have a signal. After your information is confirmed, click Continue or Done to complete the process. You'll be redirected straight to your new AOL Mail inbox. Take a moment to look around. You'll see your inbox on the left, with folders like Sent and Drafts, and a Compose button so you can start emailing right away. From here, you're all set to send and receive messages, update your profile, and adjust settings like themes and signatures whenever you're ready. That's it. You've successfully created an AOL email account. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new inbox.